Easy.
Alright guys, we're back at the next spot. Come on, hit the intro, buddy boy.
Yo, what up? It's your boy Scarce here. Also known as Hayden Levan, yo.
We're at the next spot. This is part 2 of the vid. Don't call it a vid.
I'm kidding.
I'm calling it.
You're calling it? That's it. I'm about to say it. I don't care that you vid your vid.
Ah! That one.
That was like 5 seconds.
Oh yeah, guys.
That was on your first cat. I'm probably not gonna get a thing.
Guys, this is good content. You guys, this is good. It's actually decent content, some of his videos. And he's going to be coming out with a lot of fishing videos lately. Isn't that right?
Yep.
Or in the future, not lately.
Probably tomorrow.
Tomorrow
Wait, it's gonna be raining.
And for days to come.
Well, yeah, it's gonna be raining
You're
tomorrow.
going to get some new interesting content.
Hello.
Hi.
He just wanted to come to see if you caught a fish. Not today, no keepers.
No.
We just let one go.
Do you guys have luck here? Do you come fish here a lot?
Yeah.
Yep.
See, you have to put
Ne-
bait.
oh. Nearly every day.
Here, watch your
Hope. You guys have a good day. I'll be fishing as soon as I can get the sinker on. Whoa,
This is still awesome. I'm just joking. This is still awesome. But it never was. Oh.
Hey, Will,
Yes, ma'am.
move the tripod a little bit. It can't see me from there. It can't see me. Just like do this. Rotate it just a little bit. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna get something.
Oh.
Well, with my rod in the water, I'm not gonna get something. Hold on, what? Hey, hold on, the tripod can still see me from there. Move out of the way just a little bit. Oh, hey, guys! Wow.
Wow. You did great. You guys made an awesome cat. You're just decent.
I have to get something there, nothing to die. Come on. Yeah. I'm never gonna do anything. This rod, I think I just need more weight on it. Oh crap, are you snagged? Oh, it's not on.
I think it came off. Sweet.
Oh yeah! Dude, I'm hooked.
Oh my gosh, you that's an awesome cat.
Throw it into the line.
Dude, get ready.
I'll throw it into the line.
Doesn't matter. I mean, it could matter, but it's,
Not me.
don't try it. You have one? Stop. Oh my gosh, how did you do that?
You ready to do something awesome?
Oh, your body half is awesome.
Not in the slightest. Oh, sorry.
That one.
My boot print just rubbed onto it. Look.
Oh, dude, I have one.
Did he come off?
Yeah.
Now, you guys, this is some quality content.
It's actually decent.
Oh yeah, make sure to check out his channel. His channel is Fishing123. I'll put the name in the description in case you forget. If I can get that off. Yes! Quality content. Oh my god, did you see him take it? Don't?
I said I believe it. I said no, I didn't see it, but I believe it.
I don't want to be so good at this all.
Dude, check. Yes.
I got him. Fish.
Where'd you go? You're getting the camera.
I am. Alright guys, first catch, tiny little bluegill. Oh no, hey, he swallowed the hook.
You're gonna have to get it out of him.
Sorry guy. Oh, this poor, oh wait, he didn't swallow it, I just couldn't see it, it's really tiny.
We're using little tiny hooks today.
Tiniest hooks ever. Oh my gosh, this one, it's in there good.
Got one.
Will's got one too. Hooked up. Another little bluegill.
Oh yeah.
There you go. Oh, I'm gonna take this picture. Woo!
This video is awesome.
I would say so. I'm finally getting stuff. Well, one. I can't really say I'm finally getting stuff.